Today we will be covering the last portion of this lesson of Chennai. We saw that Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu, which is the southernmost state. It is facing the Bay of Bengal and it is a coastal city. So Chennai is located in the northern part of Tamil Nadu. Here in the north we see Chennai. The old name of Chennai is Madras. And what is this coast called as? It's called as a Coromandel coast. It's also an important metropolitan city and it's the fourth largest city in India. We see that Chennai is on the coast, so it is an important port city. As you can see, number of ships from different countries carrying goods and commodities come and anchor in the port of Chennai. There are many different industries in Chennai. The textile industry is a famous industry in Chennai. Agriculture also forms an important part of the economy of Chennai. Besides, there are also many hardware and automobile industries and many IT companies. Maxi vans are a popular means of transport in Chennai, and the water supply is taken care of by the Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. The language here is Tamil and English. Here is the Tamil script, how it looks, the written Tamil language. And Tamil is also the one of the oldest classical language in India. We also learned about the music forms and the harvest festivals in Chennai, and also we learned about their staple food, that is rice and rice dishes. We also learned about the important buildings and their architectures and also different ancient buildings and religious centers. This is a picture of the Madras University as well as the Madras High Court. So we saw the different tourist places in Chennai. Chennai also has a number of beaches. The Marina Beach is the second largest beach in India, which is in Chennai. Besides, there are also other beaches like the Golden Beach, the Elliot, and the Cove Long. So we have covered all these topics, and today we are going to the last part, that is amusement parks, shopping malls, markets. Let's get started. So the next part is the progress milestone. Let's see if you remember all that we did till now. Tick the correct option. Earlier, Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. Yes or no? The answer is no. Chennai was known as Madras, not Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. The British traders came to Chennai in the 16th century. The answer is no. The Portuguese traders came in the 16th century. Then it was followed by the British later on. Next, Tamil and English are languages spoken in Chennai. Yes or no? The right answer is yes. Onam is an important harvest festival celebrated in Chennai. The answer is no. The harvest festival is Pongal in Chennai. Now we are going to read the last part of the chapter, that is amusement parks, shopping malls and markets. So read along with me. Amusement parks comprise all the modern facilities. A popular amusement park is Kishkinda. Can you repeat it with me? Kishkinda. Other amusement parks in Chennai are Dash and Splash, Dolphin City, etc. So there are a number of different amusement parks in Chennai. And the popular one in Chennai is Kishkinda. Also, Chennai is a paradise for shoppers. Right? There are many different shopping places. Like there are many shopping malls in Chennai like the Spencer Plaza, Gold Mall, City Center, Foundation Plaza, etc. The famous Mount Road has several emporiums. Now what is an emporium? Emporium is nothing but a market. Indian silk sari from Kanchipuram are available at prominent marketplaces of Mylapore and Pondi Bazaar at Tinagar. So Kanchipuram saris are very famous and it is available at prominent marketplaces here in Chennai. So here in this picture we see this famous amusement park Kishkinda. Other amusement parks are Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. We see that Chennai is the shopper's paradise. Why is it called so? Because there are a number of malls and shopping centers and markets or emporiums. Emporium means a large shop with a variety of goods and it's a store. So here we see a picture of the malls and also the famous Kanchipuram saris which are available in Chennai. Now we'll summarize the chapter and read Now I Know. All of you should read along with me. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast facing the Bay of Bengal. The climate of Chennai is warm and humid. The languages spoken in Chennai are primarily English and Tamil. The Chennai Municipal Corporation provides civic services. All major offices of the Tamil Nadu government are located in Chennai. So let's revise what we learned today. Chennai is called as a paradise for shoppers. There are a number of amusement parks like Kishkinda, Dash and Splash, Dolphin City. Mount Road has several emporiums or stores, retail stores. The different malls are Spencer Plaza, Gold Mall, City Center, Foundation Plaza. Also, Chennai is famous for the Indian silk sari called as Kanchipuram. Now is the time for question and answers. Let's see if you remember all that we did today. Famous amusement parks in Chennai are Dash and Splash, Kishkinda, Dolphin City, all of the above. So which is the right answer? The right answer is D, all of the above. Next question. Chennai is a paradise for. Can you tell me the right answer? The right answer is shoppers. That's right. Chennai is a paradise for shoppers. The important malls in Chennai are Spencer Plaza, Gold Mall, Foundation Plaza, or all of the above. The right answer is D, all of the above. The popular Indian silk sari is. Do you remember the answer? Yes, that's right. The popular Indian silk sari is called as Kanchipuram saris. Good, you have remembered what we studied. Well done. So with that, we complete this lesson of Chennai. Hope you enjoyed learning this about this city of Chennai and you are able to remember the important points which we covered in this lesson.